What's going on? This is Kevin Unk with Revival Kingdom. This is another banger. Splassive has taken off in 10x in 3 days. I shared this with everybody when this token was $2.50. It launched at $2.50. I told everybody about it before launch. Everybody had an opportunity to get in on this. And now if we do the math, $29 divided by $2.50 is 11.6, over a 10x in less than 3 days. Not only that, I told you here, this pump, and then it was a sell-off, and I said people do not see the value of this token. This is going to climb again. So I bought in right here at the blue line at less than 0.004, and today it pumped to 0.015, which is about a 4x, almost a 4x, and there has been a correction, but I'm still about a 2.5x up right here, right? So guys, this is value. This project has exploded. This is a clone of Drip Community, Drip Network. Drip has performed extremely well. It's a great project. A lot of people have made a lot of money on it, but Drip is down from $170 a token to $51.96 a token. There's only one green candle in the last 37 days or so. In the last 40 days, you see what price has done. So there is a market for this kind of project in DeFi, right? However, Drip is down right now. I'm not saying Drip is dead, but I am saying that projects that model success are likely to be successful. And that is what we have seen with Splassive. Massive success, okay? So anybody could have got in on here and 10x your money in 3 days, whether you're selling the tokens or whether you are investing in the project. However, it appears that most people are investing in the project because, once again, they understand the power, they understand what Drip has done, and a lot of people were like, dang, if I could just get in early on Drip, I would have made so much money. So when I found this project, I knew that it was a risk worth taking for me personally, okay? So if we look here, the last video I did a day ago, day and a half ago, whatever it's been, this was at 1 million. Now we are at 2 million. And that's what I said in the video. I could see this doubling in the next day. It has doubled. $2 million, okay? This is fascinating. $29 from $2.50 per token. I personally think it is still early. It's only been 3 days. Of course it's early. Now, there could be a correction, but the fact of the matter is this: when you can get 2% a day return, which is twice as much as Drip on your investment, and the project is only 3 days old, why would people sell the token? Please tell me why. People are going to compound the token, right? They are going to compound because they are trying to grow generational wealth. Look, you'll see here, available deposits claimed. You earn 2% a day with this project, okay? If you're not familiar with it, it is on the Avalanche network. It's on Avax. You will need 3 things to invest. 1, a Metamask. Google Metamask, download your crypto wallet. 2, you will need to add Avax network, AVAX, to Metamask. It's simple, takes less than a minute. Do that. 3, you will need Avax in your Metamask. Buy it from Kucoin, Kraken, Coinbase, any major exchange, and then send it here to your address. This is mine, but yours will be here. Send it to your deposit address, right? Once you do that, if you so decide to invest, remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, okay? All investing involves risk. You can lose money, right? However, on this one, I did not lose money. I made a whole lot of money. And a lot of other people made a whole lot of money, okay? And it's still early. So now, if you are interested in investing, to join this project, you need a buddy, right? So copy and paste my address into here. If you want to join my team and be eligible for airdrops, right? Copy and paste my address right here. I will include it in the description, okay? The first thing you want to do is go to splassive.com. Go to the tap, right? When you get to the tap, you want to copy and paste my address, which is right here. I will share it with you, right? In the description. I'm going to copy and paste this, and you will go here and you will simply paste it right here. Then you're going to click update, right? Once you do that, and you'll have to confirm it in your wallet as well, then you are now on my team, okay? Therefore, you are eligible for airdrops, right? Now, listen, there's a red robin system here as well. So rewards get passed around. Now, I encourage you to read the white paper. I'm not going to read the whole white paper on this, right? But the fact of the matter is this: whatever you deposit in here, right here is a deposit, right? You do not get back this initial investment, okay? But you make 2% daily on this, okay? So if we do math right here, let me get out the calculator, right? Let me do some math on $30,000 times 2% equals $600 a day. Okay. Now there are 10% sell taxes and all that, but that actually helps the system be sustainable. A lot of DeFi projects are not sustainable. They go well for a while and then they get wrecked. Okay. So a key to making money in DeFi is getting in early, and it is still early. Don't feel like, man, I missed it. You didn't miss it. It's day 3. Splassive's The Tap is a low-risk, high-reward contract that operates similarly to a high-yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily return on investment up to 360%. So, if you invest $10,000 into this project, right, times 360% equals $36,000. If you would deposit 10 grand today, right, earning 2% a day, you will have $36,000 off of your $10,000 in less than a year, okay? Because it's 2% daily. That is without compounding. If you compound and compound and compound, you are going to exponentially grow your deposit and simultaneously grow your available output daily. This is passive income. This is sleep money. There's a lot of hype in crypto and DeFi. There's a lot of trickery. But when you find a banging project, it has the potential to change your life. Okay? It is possible. So, once again, once you do that, you join my team, right? I highly appreciate it if you join my team. If you get value out of the video and you say, hey, this is something I want to invest in, right? And you join my team, I highly appreciate that, right? It says thank you to me for taking all the time and energy and investing my money to create content for you, right? The next thing you will want to do is go to the well. Here's the well, and you will go here, and it's on the Avalanche network. So say I want to swap one AVAX. I have 3 AVAX in here, right? So if I put 1 here, it will tell you right here how many splash tokens you're going to get for that amount of money, right? So right here, you just enter the amount. I will get 2.3 splash tokens for 1 AVAX. 1 AVAX is somewhere around $70 right now, right? Somewhere in that range. So you'll see here, I would simply click buy. Okay. You want to buy it on your site. Simply click buy. Then I would have it, right? So once I have it, I want to go to the tap, right? And then here is where I want to deposit. I would enter the amount I want to deposit, right? Say 100 of them, right? And then I would approve, and then I would deposit, and then bam, that will go right here to deposit, and you will start immediately earning 2% daily passive income residual. And then every day, as many times a day, you can claim your money over here, or you can compound it. You'll see I haven't claimed anything. You can compound it, and that will keep growing your deposit amount, right? So this number is just bigger and bigger and bigger. And then when you have a nice lump right here, then you might want to start taking profits every day. All right. So then you also have the team. I'm building my team. My team's going to be getting blessed, guys. Okay. I mean, look, I can go right here to drip. Okay. I claimed 96.88 drip. Look how much was airdropped out. 70 drip. 70 drip. Okay. A lot of people, and I never made one video on drip talking about join my team. I'm going to airdrop you. Not one video, because people just do that to grow their team and to make money off of people. And then they don't show love and they don't airdrop nobody, right? So, anyways, and if you're looking for a handout, I mean, you got to learn the principles of life, anyways. You need to learn to grind. You need to learn to hustle. You need to learn to bring value to other people and help other people, because money is an exchange for value, okay? Anyways, that's another story. So once you deposit the splash, deposit at least 10 splash, okay? Deposit at least 10 splash to join the team, okay? One place on here they say one, deposit at least one. Another place I read it said 10. So just be safe. Deposit at least 10 splash, right? Once you do that every day, you can hydrate, which is compound. There's a 5% tax on this, or you can claim. Now, if you claim, there's a 10% tax to claim, okay? But once again, the tax helps the project be sustainable, okay? Now, here is where I can look up my players on my team, okay? And then here is where I can go to my team viewer, my team drop, and my direct airdrop. So I can airdrop people directly. I can do team airdrops, and I can look up viewers, all right? Pretty cool. So it's a clone of Drip. Drip was massively successful. Drip was on Binance Smart Chain. This is on Avax. Drip was 1%. This is 2%. Drip has been out for 12 months, right? Drip is on a dip, okay? Splassive has been out for 3 days, and we see what Splassive is doing. And I told people about this right down here, okay? So I was telling people here, I was telling people, look at this. All up in here, I was telling people, and then look what happened. Bam. You can go back and watch my old videos, right? So, guys, I think it's still early. There could be a correction, but remember, most people are not even able to sell their tokens because they believe in this project. So they are investing their tokens to receive this 2% daily because that is crazy. 2% daily is crazy returns on your investment, okay? So, word is getting out. Everybody's going to be making videos on this, okay? That means capital is going to come in to this project. That means the price of the token is going to rise, okay? Now remember, if you want to build a team, you will need the Wave token. In their Telegram, I will include all the links in the description, okay? In their Telegram, they will give you the Wave contract address, okay? And remember, you buy the Splash token on their site. Only use their Wave contract address to make sure you get the right token, okay? Now, if you read the white paper explains what you need to get referrals, okay? There's a certain amount of Wave tokens that you need to get paid for your referrals because when you refer somebody into the system, you get like a 10% commission or whatever on whatever they put in, right? For building your team, for helping the project, for bringing capital into the project. So you can make money and you can also turn around and help other people make money, help people get into crypto, help people generate passive income for their lives. This is the kind of stuff that can change your life, okay? So now, let me see the white paper. Read through the white paper. You'll see here, I'm not going to read through it right now. All the details you need are in the white paper, but I pretty much just explained everything, guys, okay? So if you like this video, like it, comment on the video, tell me what you think. I want to shout out every single person that jumped out there in faith, all 287 of you, okay? Congratulations. You are up. Some of you are up a 10x right now. Some of you are up a 5x. Some of you are up a 2x. Some of you are just getting in now, but that's okay. Congratulations, because people hope and dream and pray, but when opportunity comes knocking on their door, a lot of the time they do not take advantage of the opportunity. And you will see that in DeFi, it is those that are willing to take some risk, calculated risk, wise risk, will reap the rewards, okay? We're just getting started, guys. This is still early. Remember, again, people are depositing into the thing. So I really don't see some massive sell off happening because most people are putting their money into the project because they see more value in the 2% a day and the compound interest, right? Look at Drip. Drip had a long run. Look at this run, right? Is it sustainable? Well, look what Drip did all the way here, all these months, like 10 months, just up. Imagine getting in Drip down here, right? Now you see how long it took Drip to pump, quite some time. But now people now understand the concept and they understand how this DeFi project works. And there's a huge market that is looking for the next Drip. Well, ta-da! This is possibly the next Drip. Okay, so guys, like I said, I will include step-by-step instructions in the description. I know that crypto and DeFi can be confusing at first. I am here to help simplify everything, okay? I will include step-by-step instructions in the video. Please join my team, okay? Listen to this now. When you want to fly like an eagle, you need to be around other eagles. You need to be around people that are proving themselves, people that have results, not people that are finding out after everybody else finds out and then they're jumping on the bandwagon, okay? There were not a lot of videos about this project when I made my first video, right? There were not a lot of people believing in the project and seeing the potential until it popped, but I was able to see it before they even launched, and I knew that it was going to be a banger, okay? Anyways, guys, remember, copy and paste my address in here. I will leave it in the description. I will leave all the links you need. I do have a Patreon. If you're not in there, you should probably get in there, all right? Early calls, inside access, exclusive content, better access to me, all of that stuff, all right? Until the next video, guys, all right? Be blessed.